while back, I made this video about whimsical art journaling for beginners with 3 steps. And lovely Jennifer wrote me a comment that I hope you do this again. I really enjoyed this tutorial style video. And now I got the inspiration to do this again. It was so much fun. So grab your lovely art journals and let's have some fun with color splashing and whimsical stuff. In the previous video I made the background with acrylic paints, and now I thought that I could use acrylic paints and some inks and see where this goes. Like in the previous video, I will use a makeup sponge that I have rounded with scissors. And here are the color palette that I chose. I just chose this randomly. I didn't think about it more than that. So let's go with these and see how it turns out. I have no idea how these go together, but this is the fun part. Exciting. Fall is on its way, and that means a different kind of color palette is coming. It also means that the fall crafts, arts and crafts are coming too. Craftsy is the sponsor of this video, and I am so excited about this. Craftsy is an online community and resource where millions of crafters and makers and DIY people find creative inspiration and advance their skills and learn new ones along the way. Craftsy offers more than 2,000 exciting classes in over 20 popular categories. And I was so excited about this one because I love to do knitting, crocheting, sewing, painting, drawing, paper crafts, and so on. And I found many new kind of arts and crafts courses on Craftsy that I will try this fall. And I got really excited about this because there is so much to do and to learn, and I'm always up for new kind of craft projects. One thing that have always intimidated me a bit, which was embellished crochet, because I would like to do some mushrooms and those kind of beautiful things. And in Craftsy I found this embellished crochet course by Brenda K.B. Anderson. I think that was brilliant, and I will definitely learn to do this. And now the first 1,000 of you to click the link in the video description will get the full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49, and it is valid for new members only. So if you are like me and you love to learn new kind of arts and crafts, go check out the link in the description box. This is a lot of fun. Yes, but thank you Craftsy for all the lovely courses that I will dive into. I am so excited. But now let's get back to the whimsical art journalings. And now, as I mentioned before, I had this idea that I could put some inks into this version. It's not necessary, but I just want to try how this will turn out. And I will do some liquid ink drops with these. Let's start with the pink. And then I will be using some water, some blue, and then let's put some mint. I have no idea how this will look, but we will see in a minute. And then some cinnamon. Oh, meni vähän liikaa. And that meant too much a bit. Some Caribbean blue. Green here. My daughter said that I am a bit of a mad hatter when it comes to art. And now I see that she was right. There, I think I will let this dry now and then let's continue to the next step. And I really enjoyed doing this part. It was amazing. Now the background is dry and next step is to decorate. And you can take a long deep look at the spread, and what do you see in your Whimsy spread? I think this is a river and there is some kind of landscaping, and here is some greenery. I think I will start with that. But now I will be doing some decorations and they will pop nicely from the background. The decorating part is done, and now the third part is to add some pictures on top of this and quotes and whatever comes to your mind. You can draw the pictures yourself or you can use ready-made pictures. And I will use some previously I made these whimsical trees, and I think these fit here lovely. And you, when you look at your Whimsy spread, you see what would be nice. If you want to put houses or some kind of botanicals or whimsy flowers or anything you like. But I'm sticking with the trees now, and I'm trying out what goes nicely with this. Yes, I think I will use all these trees, and then I think I will use a character. Of course, you don't need a character if you don't like, but I like to use characters in my art journalings. She is there looking at the river. And now I will ink the edges. There, now they are glued. And to finish things off, I will put some quotes, a couple of different colored quotes and some clouds. And if you want to use these prints in your art journaling, they are for sale on my Etsy shop with the whimsical trees. Yes, let's cut some clouds. And then let's ink the little clouds. This is like playing with paper dolls, which I loved to do when I was a little child. So I really love this paper doll stuff. Yes. Now let's check out the quotes. And as I mentioned before, this is starting to look like a fall palette for me. Still the bright colors, but there is dark also. And I love it. Thank you, Craftsy, for sponsoring my video. This was a joy. But yes, let's continue with the art journalings next time. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.